When Baytown homeowners think about improving property value, window installation may not be the first upgrade that comes to mind, but it should be. With Baytown's warm climate, occasional harsh storms, and rising energy costs, the quality of your windows and how they are installed can significantly impact your home's comfort, curb appeal, and resale price. Proper window installation is more than just putting glass in a frame. It's a long-term investment that adds value in multiple ways. Better energy efficiency saves money and attracts buyers. Modern homebuyers are more energy conscious than ever. In Baytown's hot and humid climate, properly installed windows dramatically reduce energy loss by keeping cooled air inside during summer and blocking drafts in the winter. Professionally sealed windows prevent gaps or improper alignment that can cause your AC to work overtime. Lower utility bills are a major selling point during resale. When buyers see high-quality, well-installed windows, they immediately understand that the home will be less expensive to maintain. Many homes in this region lose energy due to poor window seals, warped frames, or old glass. When a home shows proof of recent, professional installation, it stands out in the competitive Baytown real estate market. Stronger weather protection and peace of mind. Baytown homeowners are no strangers to strong winds, heavy rains, and occasional tropical weather. Properly installed windows provide dependable structural protection. Even the best-rated window will fail to perform if not installed correctly. Small installation errors can lead to water intrusion, frame weakness, and even glass failure during storms. High-quality, well-fitted windows create a secure barrier against weather damage. Potential buyers recognize that a home with newer, correctly installed windows is less likely to suffer leaks or costly repairs in the future. That added peace of mind often translates to stronger offers and faster sales. Enhanced curb appeal and first impressions. The exterior of your home plays a major role in perceived value. Windows are one of the first things people notice, especially in homes with large front-facing glass or architectural window styles. A sloppy installation can cause crooked lines, mismatched trim, or gaps that are visible from the street. With a professional installation, windows are level, symmetrical, and beautifully framed to match the home's exterior design. This small detail often creates a big impression. Clean sightlines, consistent trim work, and modern window materials instantly elevate your home's style, a key selling advantage if you plan on listing your property in the future. Increased comfort and noise reduction. Beyond aesthetics, properly installed windows make living in your home more enjoyable. Tight seals and high-performance glass reduce outdoor noise, making your interior quieter and more peaceful. In busy areas of Baytown or near high-traffic streets, this improvement alone can increase perceived property value. Additionally, correct installation prevents drafts and hotspots, creating a more consistent indoor temperature. Comfort is a powerful selling factor. Potential buyers feel the difference the moment they walk into the room. Higher ROI compared to other upgrades. Not all home improvements offer the same return on investment. Window upgrades deliver one of the highest ROIs of any exterior renovation, especially when paired with professional installation. According to real estate trends, buyers prefer move-in ready homes with improvements that reduce ongoing maintenance and energy costs. Unlike cosmetic updates, well-installed windows provide real functional value and long-term benefits. Final thoughts. Proper window installation is one of the smartest upgrades Baytown homeowners can make. From improved energy performance and weather resistance to higher curb appeal and resale value, the benefits go far beyond aesthetics. When installed correctly by professionals, new windows turn into a long-term investment that protects your home, enhances comfort, and increases market desirability. If you want to boost your Baytown home's value while making it more efficient and beautiful, proper window installation is a powerful step in the right direction.